jumping back to the drop to finalize the drop. I would just need to hear if it sounds good. Okay, so to make the whole thing nice here, I'm gonna turn off reverbs on all of these plugins. So this one needs to go off. This spire reverb needs to go off. This spire reverb needs to go off. You want to have one reverb for everything. Here we go. Same thing here. And one thing here. Nobody has now time for renaming stuff. And if you hear me like judging myself when I work, that was a point from one of my friends here. It's just how I work. It's just I'm like thinking, you know, everything in my head, like why is this like this. And I think this is part of the process why I got my music where it is right now, because I was very trying to make my music always, you know, the best possible. It's like part of my OCD thing. Okay, so we have this. The crash is there. I'm happy. I'm actually missing this little thing in the transition. And now let's do the leads, because this is how it looks now. It's pretty messy, you know. So let's make them a little bit bigger. Again, we're gonna be using the Valhalla. So let me just take it from this vocal. Valhalla room. Here we go. Just put it in here. Just the settings it is. Mix, we're just gonna go for like 25%. And DK 6, a little bit more high end. Let's just keep it as it is right now. I think this might work. Maybe we try Bride Room. That's pretty cool. Now to glue the whole thing together, let's just pick the glue compressor, put it right here. The settings are as follows: 10 milliseconds attack, automatic release before the reverb, threshold so it hits like -1 dB. This is to glue all the leads together, so they feel like one sound. Then one behind the Valhalla room, again attack 10 milliseconds, but this time release short, and we're gonna go up to 5. Let's play around with the settings of the EQ as well. And with the individual plugs, just to make them pop. Every time I find something on the lead, on this one for example, it sounds great here, so I'm gonna keep it. Adding one more. So I'm always like adding EQ and molding the sound when they sound great together, so it feels like it's one sound. I like it here. That's pretty cool. Let's add one more. Nice, one more. And this one is like very mid-heavy. There you go. Maybe octave lower on this one. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. Now we have this cut over here. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. And you want to bring back some of that low end in the breakdown as well, because you want to feel that energy of the leads. So click here. Click here, click here, click here. Let's put it down so it's gonna. The LFO is off. Now to make these pop like a little bit louder, what you can do is add an utility here, gain, and towards the end, you can just dip it down by 1 dB. Sorry, -1 dB. click, edit volume, -1. And then over here, remove all of these sounds. Just make like a short gap. So like, build back up a little bit more.